Generally, when you die, your state pension will stop being paid. You could say that it dies with you, but there are a few situations where your spouse or civil partner might inherit some of your state pension. With the state pension forming an important part of many people's income in retirement, I'm going to share with you the current rules of who can inherit and what they can inherit so you can plan ahead. First off, be aware that it isn't possible for anyone other than a spouse or civil partner to inherit a state pension. And the rules on inheriting are complex. They depend on what you have built up and, of course, when you reach state pension age. The main pension rule governing state pensions in death is whether you reach state pension age before or after the recent state pension changes that came into effect on the 6th of April 2016. This is the date when the new state pension replaced the basic and additional state pension. I have a video explaining the difference between those two, which you'll find a link on the screen now. So check that out if you're unclear about the changes in the pensions. Again, it's complex. If you reach state pension age before the 6th of April 2016 and receive the basic state pension, your spouse or civil partner can claim your additional state pension, which is based upon your national insurance contribution record. You must have got married before the 6th of April 2016 to qualify, and it will be paid with your state pension. If your spouse is already in receipt of an additional state pension payment, the maximum they can get is £203.85 per week. In some instances, it may be possible to pass on a state pension lump sum on death if the following three criteria apply. Number one, you die when deferring your state pension, or you had started claiming it after deferring it. 2. You reached state pension age before the 6th of April 2016. And 3. And you were married or in a civil partnership when you die. If you have a protected payment on death, your spouse or civil partner should be able to inherit half of it on top of your state pension. A protected payment is made to some people who accrued most of their state pension benefit under the old regime prior to the new state pension being introduced in April 2016. If your national insurance record on the 6th of April 2016 meant you would receive more than the new state pension in benefits, the additional amount was protected and still paid to you on top of the new state pension. This protected payment is what your spouse or civil partner could claim 50% of on your death. To qualify, your state pension age must be on or after the 6th of April 2016, and you must die after this date. Bear in mind that you would not be able to inherit anything if you remarry or form a new civil partnership before you reach state pension age. However, if you just get divorced or dissolve your civil partnership in your lifetime, the courts can make a pension sharing order. This means your spouse or civil partner will get an extra payment on top of their state pension if you are ordered to share your additional state pension or protected payment with them. As with anything to do with pensions, the rules are complex. So, if you need advice on your particular circumstances, contact the pension service. I'll put a link into the phone number and a web link for other ways to reach them in the description below this video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin King. I'm a chartered and certified financial planner, and my aim is to help people retire successfully. If you've enjoyed this video, then please press the subscribe button below the video now for more videos on planning for a successful retirement.